Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we will see how we can change the structure color to whatever color you want. As you are watching here, I change the color to the gray. I will tell step by step how we can change the structure color. Okay, so I will delete that and model from starting for your understanding. So for that, what you have to do, just go to the format and go to the surface style rule. Then here are the different types of color here which are pre-installed or pre-modified. Okay, so if you want to modify the color of any new or whatever the color you want, you can create your new click on the new one, and here you have to give the name on whatever surface or whatever thing you want to change the color. You can give the any name, so I will give the name to the structure. Okay, now we have to change or select our filter, so go to the more, and here we have to go to the default filter, and we have to go SP3D object filter here. Then we have to go to the object type, and whatever you want to change the color, like contour color you want to change, or equipment color, or any structure color, then select that. So this is our structure, so I will select this. So keep this mind, we have to change the color in the catalog filter. Okay, then we have to select the structure, so I want to change the color of the structure, so I will select this, click on the OK. Now here we have to choose our color, so now this time I will change the color to the, let's say this, what is the color, translucent light, and then we have to unselect this all. Just we have to select simple filter. Okay, then click on the OK. Now here what we created in new, here it will appear. We have to select this name, so I select this, and we have to click on the add. So here select the rule, add successfully. Click on your selected rule and click on the apply. So we can now see that the color changes successfully. So this way you can change the color of the structure or anything whatever you want. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Also, for more such upcoming or the previous video, you can check my channel. I already uploaded 31 lecture. Also, you can comment me whatever lecture you want. I will go through your comment and make sure I will deliver the topic whichever you want. Okay, so friend, you can subscribe my channel, and thank you.